Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 66 Wandal Road here in Wandal. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been fully transformed. It's one of the cutest I've seen. Let's take a quick look. You know what I love most about this home is how the space has been so cleverly used. Look at the social kitchen that connects to this lounge room, and right over here we've got a sun-filled dining room, the perfect spot to hang out with family and friends. You know, there's nothing left to do at this home with 2 brand new bathrooms, a gorgeous kitchen, beautifully polished floors and fresh paint. All you need to do is unpack and enjoy living in this great home. Well, what a chic design. The execution's perfect, and if you would love to live at 66 Wandal Road here in Wandal, give the team at McGrath a call. We would love to help you out.